Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hello and welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for your support. Today we are going to be doing a fall haul for Target. So if you are interested in that, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so I found some fall, like transitioning into the fall loungewear and jeans. Very simple haul. We're only gonna have 3 outfits today. Now, I do apologize. It took me some time to get this video up because you know, I did have to go out of town for a wedding, and so I had to kind of pause on the recording, but here we are, and I have some lovely things for you guys. So here is the first outfit. I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, whoops. So these leggings are from Wild Fable. They're a little more pricey. They are $18, but don't you just love this like lavender lilac color? They do have the phone pockets. I wouldn't call them actual pockets because they're a little bit narrow and small, but they are on both sides. They're a super soft material, and you guys know I'm short, so they do go to the ankle. Now they are a little longer, they do go further down, but they stay at the ankle, which is important. You guys know I always talk about the material going under my foot and getting dirty, or underneath my shoe and getting dirty. These aren't going to do that. They stay just nice where they are on the ankle. They are a high waist, so I love that. They hold in all of the things. I mean, they're not made to hold the stuff in, but they do a decent job of it. And then this is a sort of a cropped top. It's not as cropped as most shirts. This is also from the Wild Fable, and this shirt was only, I think, $5, so I will show you that when I switch into the next outfit. But I thought this was perfect. It's loungewear. It's transitioning into fall. It's just so comfortable. I love the colors. I do hope that we start seeing more of these come in. I think they are totally worth the $18 mark is a little high, but I'm okay getting a color here and there because they are that nice. All right, the next pieces that I have for you are let's start with the shirt. Look at how beautiful this purple is. It is like a deep plum purple, and it was only $5 from Wild Fable. I did get this in a medium because they were already selling out of sizes, so I thought that this would actually go really cute as a tighter, more fitted top with these sweats for loungewear. Now these I did go ahead and get in a large, and they were $18 as well from the Wild Fable brand. They have pockets on both sides, and then they do have this scrunchiness at the bottom, so hopefully they will stay on my ankles. And then the drawstring, and crap, I did it again, guys. I did it again. If you're new here and you need my measurements for reference, I am exactly 5 feet tall. I am 32 around the waist, which is equivalent to about a size 14, or a large, extra large, depending on brands and sizing. And I am a 36 around the bust line. So also a large or extra large on top, and I did get the shirt in a large and the bottoms in an extra large. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way in the middle of the video, as always, I'm gonna go ahead and try on the other two. Guys, before we focus on the outfit, here is that crop top shirt. Like I said, it was in a size large from Wild Fable, and it was $8. Yeah, see, I wasn't sure if it was 5 or 8. They did have several different colors, but again, they're selling out fast. So if you want them, you know, pick it up if you see it. And then here are the leggings. These were in an extra large for $18. Here's what they look like up close. Yeah, there's that. And the bottoms, I really love these. They're the super soft material, as I was saying. Definitely, I do think they're worth $18. I just would be a little more picky on the colors that I got rather than buying one in every single color, because they are pricier. Alright, anyway, here is the next outfit. So this is sort of what I was going for. I wanted a more like fitted top, and then the looseness down here going on. Now the pants I did get in a large. I think it was a good choice. I definitely have some stretchy room to go. However, they did sit nicely without having to tighten them. So I like that. They're very comfortable because I don't like tight things. They're very comfortable here. And then the length was really nice as well because they have that scrunched bottom. They stay at my ankle. They are just a little bit long. So, you know, if you are taller than me, they'll be fine for you, I think. And then, of course, we've got our... I haven't done this in a while, guys. I haven't done this move in a video for a while. It's something I like to do with pockets. I don't know why. And then the top fits very nice. I am glad that the medium fit me. I was a little worried that I needed a large, but I love this color and I just couldn't pass it up. So here's what it looks like in the back. So yeah, I love this outfit. I think it's a great choice for, you know, going on into the fall, because this is really comfortable. You can wear it, you know, slouched with a like with a slouchy kind of a hoodie, or even a zip up jacket. And yeah, so anyway, talking too damn much. Alright, the last outfit I have for you, I think I was feeling purples that day, or at least that's what they had. So here is another purple. This was an oversized sweatshirt. So see, I think this would look super cute with this, with these pants as well. So, you know, ow. Ow, ow, it's pulling my hair. Ow. Okay. Alright, anyway, here's what that looks like. It's super, super cute. It's got these like baggy sleeves here, and then it has like this extra material that's going down here to kind of make it that oversized feeling. And this was definitely an oversized t-shirt. It is from the Universal brand. This one was a medium and it was $25, but I thought it was so cute, and I guess we can expect to pay a little more for these because there's way more material. I thought it was really, really cute, and I thought that it would look really good with some jeans, even though you can definitely wear it however you decide. These are the Universal thread jeans, and you guys know I'm in love with these because they sell them in a S for short girls. So this was a 14 short. And at the time that I bought these, they were on sale for $22. Again, I apologize if you missed that. It was on my vlog though. I did share it with you guys as soon as I found out. Just the sale may not be going on when I make this video. These are a dark wash because I already have the other washes, and this is one that I hadn't found in a short just yet. So I thought we would pair these together, and I'll probably keep this top on underneath just to see, you know, what it can do. Guys, here is the oversized crop top sweatshirt. I do like it. It wasn't the vision I had in my mind. I'm still happy with it and I do like it. I feel like this is cuter if you do like the half tuck thing. Here's kind of what it looks like if you don't. It just, you know, kind of hangs there, but it is so super comfortable. And I do love like this sleeve detail here. It's like sort of got a wider thing going on underneath the arm because there is like this detail here in the stitching. So I did wear it with the purple tank top underneath, so I do like that as well. So yeah, I kind of think like maybe if you kind of wear it a little bit more to the side and then have that half tucked in, I think this is very cute for that type of style. So I'm gonna think about this one. Like I said, it wasn't the exact vision I had in me brain pan. So also I feel like the color is a little bit, I love the electric colors in this, fits that electric purple like vibe for me somewhat. So I do like that. And yeah, now let's talk about the jeans. The jeans did not disappoint whatsoever. They are short girl approved. I love the dark wash. They fit the waist as they should, just like any other universal thread pants that I have bought. So yeah, I really love it. Here is the back. So yeah, definitely a super cute outfit idea. Probably the skinny girls could rock this one a little bit better. I'm not saying that we can't. I'm just saying that the vision was a little different is all. But anyway, thank you guys for joining this mini haul. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please consider subscribing, like, comment, even share this Walmart haul, and we will see you. Oh, follow me on Instagram. I also do stuff over there, so we will see you in our next video. Bye guys.